This video shows you how to install the 2000 sheet tandem tray on your printer. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box, and then remove the 2000 sheet tandem tray. Unpack the tray. Note: do not throw away the information sheet. Remove the packing material from the tandem tray. Open door B. Lock the casters to keep the optional tray from moving. Remove the option installation cover. Note: pull out the lifting handle on the left side of the printer. This printer requires 4 people to lift. Align the printer with the optional tray, and then lower the printer into place. Close door B. Unpack the rear locking bracket and screws. Remove tray 2. Secure the optional tray to the printer using screws. Insert tray 2. Remove the connector cover from the rear of the printer. Attach the rear locking bracket. Connect the tray cables to the printer, and then attach the cover. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. To keep the printer in place, turn the leveling screw clockwise until it touches the floor. Open tray 1, and then place the information sheet in the compartment. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.